Hello and welcome back, everybody. If your Android phone is not receiving incoming calls and if you'd like to fix that issue, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So, without any delay, let's just dive right in. So, first of all, we can start by restarting our phone, our device. So, for that, long press on your power button if you're on your phone, and you should be finding a menu up here with a restart option in it. You can just go ahead and tap on it and confirm the restart, and that should often resolve the temporary software glitches causing the call issues. Apart from that, you can just go ahead and swipe down from the top of the screen to open up the quick settings panel like this and go to airplane mode. So if this option is turned on like this, you can turn it off. In order to turn it off, you can again access the quick settings panel and tap on this airplane icon. And that should turn off your airplane mode and again refresh your network, which may be the issue that your Android device may not be receiving incoming calls. So that should probably refresh the system. The other thing is in the same quick settings panel, when you scroll down, you should be finding an option for do not disturb. So you can swipe right for other options and you should be finding an option called do not disturb in the panel. Ensure that this do not disturb like this, if it is turned on, you can tap on it to turn it off and ensure that this option is turned off as well. That is causing the issue. That may be causing the issue. Apart from that, you may ensure that your device is not on silent mode because sometimes if your volume is down, it will also prevent from ringing. So you can use your volume buttons for that and prevent your phone from not ringing. Apart from that, you can clear the phone's app cache. Long press on your phone app and then you can go to the info section at the top. From there, you can just go ahead and scroll down from the given settings and find the storage option. Tap on it. And from storage, just go and clear the cache, and that should also resolve the issue. And apart from that, you can just go ahead and reset your network settings as well. Go to settings for that, open it up, and you can go ahead and search for network here. Once you find network, tap on reset network settings, and from reset network settings, tap on reset network settings again, and go ahead and confirm that, and that should reset clear Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth settings that might be causing the interference. If none of those steps work, you can contact your cellular network provider to ensure that your account is active and there are no services issues in your area. But for now, you can try out this method and see if it works. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.